Hey, it's Firefighter Pete with Backdraft BBQ, and I got a grill I want to show you today. I was out of town, and when I was coming back into town, I got...
Did you just get a new grill?
Run. Hey Duke, you want to see what I got? I got something new. See, he said I could get another grill. What I was able to do was take advantage of a deal that I found on the interweb, and it was almost too good to be true. Let me tell you about it. This is from the pellet manufacturer that actually originally made the Traegers. It's called Z Grill, like the letter Z is in Zulu. They have this promotion they're running right now. And by the way, this isn't a paid promotion that I'm doing. I don't want you guys to think that I'm just like out here getting paid doing sponsorships, which would be amazing. If you're watching, please send me your information. Z Grills has this promotion right now. I'm on their website, and it is this pellet grill that I got here that's $777. So it's not as expensive as Traeger's or even the Cabela's brand. Every 5 years, they will send you a brand new grill, the same model or one of equal value for free. Huh? All you have to do is pay the shipping charges, which are about $100. Let me just say this, even if it was the shipping plus like an upcharge, $100 for a brand new grill is nothing. You can do this 10 times over 50 years. The world's not even gonna be here in 10 years, so they call it the 1 for 10 promotion. Buy one, get 10. If you live by one of their warehouses, just so you don't think this is like a Ron Popeil scam artist, you can actually go to the warehouse and pick it up for free. Crazy. I'm gonna throw a link down in the description for the details of this promotion. Again, I'm doing this, I'm in this deal, so we'll see if it works, but research shows, including AI research, that this is actually legit. It's US shipping, US based. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing video, time-lapse assembly of it. I'm gonna fire it up and try to see how it works. I'm happy that I got my hands on this. The thing is right now, since we moved, I don't have my outdoor kitchen, and I'm kind of like cooking third world style. I saw this deal and I made the jump. I'm not a pellet grill guy at all whatsoever. I've never actually even had one. Really, I'm kind of nervous about this. I'm normally just using charcoal. Again, I had not heard of Z Grills, but they are a massive, one of the largest pellet manufacturer stoves in the world. And being in the fire safety world, I will tell you that these are ETL listed. Intertech is a legit listing company. Wi-Fi enabled, connects by Bluetooth, so you can monitor anything from anywhere. It goes through the app, and the app is super easy. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Let's get this thing out and assembled. I am a fireman, not an unboxer influencer guy, although I would like to be one. Again, if you have a product you'd like to. This is the ZPG 700 2C2E. It's the 700 series of the grills. If you go on their website, this wasn't the most expensive one they had, but it wasn't the cheapest. The reason why I got this one is because it has Wi-Fi. And I like to do things instead of just sitting in front of a grill the entire time. Let's open it up. Even the box is nice. Simulated wood grain. It comes with a cover. That's cool. It comes with gloves. Even cooler. There's a hole in my bucket. It's like a little mini beer bucket for one beer. You've been a bad girl. Or grill. Bad girl, get it? It was a joke. Get in your son. Whoa. Holy crap, I'm gonna nominate these guys for an Emmy Award on packaging stuff. What do you think, Michelle? I can't wait to clean up your garage after.
Mess.
You're a mess. So here's everything laid out. This is gonna be worse than an IKEA futon. Let's get it in. Okay, how to assemble this thing. What the heck is going on over? Good girl, Michelle. Okay, I just wheeled it outside. I don't have my barbecue shack set up yet, so we're still homeless cooking over here. This thing's awesome. It's got a super nice dial here. You click it, you can change the temperature up and down like no problem. 2 places where probes go into, so you can actually insert these through. They go down into this little thing, and then you put it in your meat. Live temperature of what the actual temperature is, the set temperature is right there. And obviously you can see probe 1 and probe 2, which we have here. Big hopper, fits 40 pounds of pellets, I believe. And the rest of the grill, let me just show you what it looks like. I've never used a pellet grill before, so this is like totally weird. I'm always using those green things. I'm kind of a loyalist to those, but with this 777 deal, with the warranty and the new grill every 5 years, I mean, I couldn't help myself. Literally couldn't help myself. So I'm just kind of letting this season up, and we're gonna do a cook on it. But honestly, just from putting it together, and everything is very good quality. I'm not getting paid to say this. Nothing felt super cheesy. The grill's got all types of little features, little window, all this stuff. Oh, and here's the other thing that's kind of crazy. Let me show you this. It has an app that literally, it's Wi-Fi, so I can go away in the house and be away from this, not even Bluetooth style. I can change the temperature of what I'm cooking, the target temperature. I can change the actual temperature of the grill. It even has an interesting thing in here with recipes, and it will ask you like what you're cooking today. And I can basically say, okay, this is what I'm doing. And it will tell you like the guidelines for how you're supposed to cook it. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. Oh, and another thing about this app is that if I set the target temp with the meat probe, the phone will alert me when it's hit target temperature. So yeah. So I was thinking about with this video doing this review, again, unpaid, just trying out something new. It started to rain, so I'm not gonna cook anything today, but I am gonna post another video on this of cooking something. Hey, it's Pete from the future. I did cook something on this. It was just pouring rain and I couldn't film, but I'm gonna publish another video on it. I mean, if you're vegan, then congratulations for just getting cured, because this thing works really good. I feel like dirty because it's a pellet grill. It's good. It's good. Stay tuned. And it's going to be from a non-pellet smoker review side of things. Like this is a totally new thing to me. It's much different than the way I'm normally rubbing sticks together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed producing it. Don't be nervous. That grill at a fraction of the price of what you could pay is top quality. And the other thing about this, with the warranty of a new grill every 5 years, I mean, that's awesome. So that belays all my fears there. I really can't wait to try cooking on this though. I hope you enjoyed this brief review. I wanted to share the deal with you guys. And of course, the links are downstairs in the description. If you can use them, it does help our channel out. Until next time, grill safely.